Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. This video is about how you can save money on prescriptions. Let's face it, prescriptions are expensive. We're here to offer a few ways to lower your prescription costs. Number 1. Compare prices. Before you purchase other items, you probably check around, especially if they are more expensive items. Why should picking up your prescription be any different? Even though most people need a prescription at some point in their lives, most people don't know that the prices vary between pharmacies. Switching from Rite Aid to CVS could help you cut costs, especially for recurring prescriptions. Or, trying a big box store might net you more savings. On to number 2. Look for a coupon. When a drug is new, it's often expensive and only available in its brand name form. Often drug manufacturers will offer coupons for people who meet certain qualifications. The prescription savings are great, but not everyone can use them. Some retail pharmacies will offer coupons to entice customers to fill prescriptions with them. For example, you might get a $25 in-store gift card for your first prescription as a new customer. Number 3. Ask for the generic. Generic and brand name drugs have the same active ingredients, meaning they will have the same efficacy for treating your condition. The main difference is the cost to you. Brand name drugs tend to be more expensive because of the lengthy drug development process. Manufacturers charge more to recoup costs. When a patent expires, other manufacturers can produce the medication, and competition drives the price down. Ask if your medication has a generic version. Number 4. Most physicians are aware that some medications are more expensive than others. If you're having trouble affording your treatment, talk to your doctor about trying a different prescription that might cost less. There may be an equivalent therapy to try that's easier on the wallet. And number 5. Find out if you need that medication. If you've been taking the same medication for years, it's worth checking in to see if you still need that prescription. Make sure that you're not paying for medications that you no longer need. If you've made a lifestyle change that works, it may reduce your need for certain medications. It never hurts to ask your healthcare provider. We hope that these ideas will help you save money on your prescriptions. It's always good to have more money in your pocket, and a little bit adds up over time. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Please comment below, your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.